hastily but proudly dressed, and someone knocked on the door. Raiders lonely is in Kermit Cave called "Ano, hurry, Crab!" Then he sat on a boulder and started to gab. He talked about hermits that someone folks call llamas who shave off their hair and wear burlap pajamas, just as he mentioned them. Several folks in singing and making a lower din. The crab then told Kermit of hermits, called monks, who sleep on the mountain, creaky old bunks, and live on the diet of sage and ham and paste little labels and on bottles of jam. Just as old Krabby had meditation their name into the cavern, the